Huawei's latest trifold phone, the Mate XTs, has just hit the market in China, and it might not be as revolutionary as you'd expect. But here's where it gets interesting. This second-generation foldable introduces Stylus compatibility and a fresh splash of purple pleather, something fans didn't see coming. While these upgrades might seem subtle at first glance, they signal Huawei's commitment to refining the foldable experience while adding a touch of style. Let's unpack what's new. The standout feature is definitely the addition of Stylus support for the expansive 10.2-inch folding display. To put it simply, this screen can now be interacted with using a pen, opening up new possibilities for drawing, note-taking, and precise navigation on a foldable device, something that was missing in the first model. The display itself folds down to two smaller sizes, 7.9 inches and 6.4 inches, giving users flexible ways to use the phone depending on the situation. Beyond the stylus feature, Huawei has quietly upgraded the brain of the device to the newer Kirin 9020 processor, which means improved speed and efficiency for everyday tasks and multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the enhanced 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which promises sharper and more detailed shots than before. And if you're a fan of aesthetics, the new color options add more personality to the phone. Along with the familiar red and black, now you can choose crisp white or a bold purple, all featuring a textured faux leather finish that not only looks premium, but also feels great in your hand. Now, about the price. This is where the story gets a little complicated. The Mate XTs starts at 17,999 Chinese yuan, roughly $2,520 USD. That might sound steep, but it actually undercuts the original Mate XT's launch price, which was 19,999 yuan, about $2,800 in China, and much more expensive, around 3,499 euros or $4,070 when it reached international markets. When I had the chance to review the first Mate XT, I was genuinely impressed by the concept and performance, despite the high cost. So, while the price remains premium, it's slightly more attainable this time around. Here's a provocative thought. Huawei's Mate XTs arrives on the scene before any other company has released a trifold phone of their own. Samsung, a major competitor, is rumored to be close behind with its own trifolding device, but it hasn't hit shelves yet. Does this give Huawei an edge in innovation, or are they rushing ahead without perfecting the technology? It's a question worth debating as we watch the foldable market evolve. Besides the Mate XTs, Huawei also unveiled a handful of other gadgets at the same time, including the compact MatePad mini tablet, the FreeBuds 7i wireless earbuds, and a new range of Mate TVs. Each product aims to complement the ecosystem Huawei is building around its mobile and smart tech offerings. So what do you think? Is Huawei's approach to foldables with their Mate XTs a smart move, blending style and functionality? Or is the price still too high to attract mainstream buyers, especially with competitors like Samsung on the horizon? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below, because this is one tech debate that's just heating up.